95% of people who start affiliate marketing in 2026 are going to fail. I'm going to be looking at 2 platforms tonight, along with a strategy that will give you a better chance of finding that 5% of success. This is going to be for educational purposes only. There is no guarantee of income, but let's go take a look at what we can do. All right, so welcome to My Lead Gen Secret. This is one of my 2 accounts that we are currently working with, and I have restarted these accounts as of January 1st, and today, day of recording is January 3rd of 2026. So I was going to do these on a weekly update, but we had some more commissions come in within these first 48 to 72 hours of restarting this program. So I wanted to go ahead and get this updated video out for you. So what is My Lead Gen Secret? It is an email marketing platform. They're going to give you 100 email leads per day. And if you sell the system or share the system with somebody who decides to use it as well, then you are going to get a bonus 100 leads. So you could be looking at 200 leads per day per 30 days. So 6,000 leads basically per month. Okay, there are very, very few marketers out there that can build a list that big and that quick in that short amount of time. So the leads are real, and I want to give you some proof to that real quick. I'm going to go to my statistics. I'm going to go here. This is the latest. This was the last mailing I put out, building a live chat career. Looks like we sent out 86,900 leads. Yes, I have a ton of leads on this account because I've had it for some time. And we had 191 clicks, click open rate at 3.93. But I want to show you here on the clicks why this also helps this particular strategy work, is that these are all tier 1 leads. Looks like we've got a Great Britain right there, maybe an Australia right there. Usually a few of those scattered in. There's a Canada, but these mostly are all they're all tier 1 leads, English speaking countries. And but you just get a little mix of some of the other countries from it as well. All right, going to take us back over to the mailing system, and I'm going to actually take you through a live this is looking over my shoulder. We're going to take you through a live mailing tonight. So this email system again gets you 200 leads it can get you 200 leads per day if you share it and somebody purchases from you. But if not, then you're going to get your 100 leads. And you can, as I mentioned, I've got 2 accounts. You can have multiple accounts, and you can sell the account to yourself. They are perfectly fine with that. You're just adding on an account, and then they are going to also bonus the account that you used with the extra 100 leads. So with 2 accounts, starting out, you could be at 200 leads, or you could be at 300 leads until the second account is also shared, and then somebody buys from you to get you into up to 400 leads per day. Okay, and these are all buyer leads, people that are interested in make money online. These are not leftover leads that somebody's just throwing out there. These are actual real leads, and we'll prove that by showing you the sales here in just a moment. So I'm going to hit select all right here, just as a show you how to get things done. It's going to put in my 87,000 leads because I had another 100 leads come in today. And I am then going to go over to my product, which is over on ClickBank. And over here on ClickBank, oops, it's going to make me log in. All right, over here on ClickBank, we have a sale right here. This was, I don't know if you can see it on your screen, but it's January 2nd, 2026. And so that came in within 48 hours of the new year getting started. I had let this business, I was working on other projects and got away from using My Lead Gen Secret and ClickBank. And I came back in saying, you know what, I'm going to restart this and I'm going to track it from January 1st all the way through for a full year and see where we end up at. And already, now I've got a lot of leads. You got to give me a little leeway on that I've got a very large amount of leads already built up in this system. But after sending out another mailing, within 48 hours, I had a sale. Is that going to happen for you? Maybe, maybe not. You just don't know. But if you do the strategy, like we're going to teach you to do the strategy, if you decide to join me on my team with my lead gen secret and you follow the steps that we lay out, you're going to have a little better chance of going ahead and making some sales. Okay, so let's take a look at the actual product that we have been selling. And I've sold this product before I took a break, and coming back, went right back to this product, and there we go. So we're going to go into affiliate marketplace. By the way, ClickBank is a free platform. You do not have to pay anything to be on ClickBank. It's just a big shopping mart of different offers, products, services that you can resell for a commission. So we go into e-business, e-marketing, and right here on the first page we come down, live chat jobs. You have to try this one. This is the one that we are currently promoting. However, from what I've seen of my stats, let me get this one right here, get paid to use Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube, I believe is the one that actually sold. And so it sold off of an older email that I had promoted that on. But we're working on this one right here, live chat jobs. You have to try this one because it has what are called unlimited rebills. In other words, it's a monthly program for anybody that buys it, so that you are making a membership style income off of this product. All right, so then we're going to go over here to view the affiliate page. And for your first time coming in here, the first thing you want to do is scroll down just a little bit right here, opt in to receive immediate 10% commission bump. Get your email in there and join now. And that will give you just a little bit extra when you do make a sale. So instead of 75%, you'll be making 85%. There we go. Now the next thing we're going to do is, well, this is an email program that we're using, so we need emails. So let's go to their email swipes, and we'll come down. And I am now on day 3, I believe. Nope. This is going to be day 4. And get paid to chat, apply now. Okay, now when we come back, I could copy that. I copy and paste it right over to my lead gen secret. That's fine. But because I had been using my lead gen secret for quite a while prior to that, I'll double check my verbiage here. Get paid to chat. Okay, I'm going to come down here, and this has all the emails that I've sent. Okay, so we're going to see if I've already got get paid to chat already in here. Chat assistant, get paid to chat right there. So I'm going to click on that. I'm going to hit load, and I'm going to come down here on the email section, and it's all done for me. All right, so if you are putting your first ones together, copy and paste. If you want the first name in there, hi Dan, George, Bob, Bill, whoever, then you can come up here and copy this section, bring it down, paste it in, and then you can, that way their first name will be in there. Makes it a little bit more personal when they do open the email up. This $25 to $35 an hour, that's a pre-header that is in here. I don't see it on here. It'll be on there. There's the pre-header right there, just to give them a little bit of a extra zing when they open it up. Oh, $25 to $35 an hour. I better read this, right? Okay, so they'll check out the email. You'll have your link down here. You will put the link in with your WYSIWYG stuff up here. And you can also get an image in there. And I like to just sign off real quick. And I don't like the simple home business solutions. I'm not really using that anymore. So we'll just put in, let's see. All right, that just goes to my blog. I might put my YouTube channel in there. Just depends on what I feel like at the moment. No big deal. I'm not even making it a hyperlink. They'd have to copy and paste it anyway. But what we do want to make sure is hyperlinked is PS, struggling with leads. Click here to generate 100 to 200 tier 1 leads daily. We want that PS in here, and guess where that link goes? It goes back to my Legion secret. All right, I'll show you the affiliate compensation on that program here in just a second. So I'm just going to double check everything. Got the size. You can change the size of your text, make sure your font's okay. And on occasion, sometimes you might want to make, in fact, this one's bolded. Okay, I like to make my links bold so that they know, hey, we're supposed to click this. Here it is. And so here, this link down here, we need to make bold so that you're getting an opportunity to make sales from the ClickBank product, and you're getting an opportunity for someone to join you in this program and get your bonus leads, plus a little bit of commission. Okay. This button right here is also very important. Perfect timing. That's going to, doesn't matter what time of day you're sending it out. It's going to send it out to the time zones and the times in the time zones that work best for your email leads that you're mailing to. Okay. So you do that. Now you're only going to mail out once every 24 hours. So if you come back in here again tomorrow, a couple hours before, let's see, it's 8 o'clock here, my time. So if I were to come back in here at 6 o'clock tomorrow and try to mail, it's not going to let me. Okay. I got to wait till 8. So 24 hours, once every 24 hours, just so you know that. We can do a quick preview. See what the email is going to look like. Then we can come down and say, yep, we're good to go. Send email. All right, so that one's on its way. And like I said, I'm going to report on these probably more of a weekly basis than a daily basis. As with one account and even 2 accounts, you're probably not going to see a sale every day. You probably need to be in the 4 to 5 accounts to really see some consistency in daily sales. No guarantee that you're going to see it there either. Just stating the more accounts, the more likely, okay, because you got that many more emails that are going to get opened. All right, and so that one is off and running. It's on a timer right there for the next time I can mail. And we'll come in here real quick and look at the affiliate side. And I can show you, I usually like to use this one, the sizzle page. That one seems to work best for me. And then we'll come down and show you the levels. So if you were to join the program with me, which by the way, the link will be in the description area of this video, I would make $5. Okay, so for every person that comes back into my Legion secret with me, I make $5 to get my account fully funded, is what we call this. Is the owner, by the way. To get that fully funded, you would have to have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 6 people. Yeah, 6. I got to do my math in my head. Woo! 6 people that would share the program, or purchase the program through your share link, through your affiliate link, and then you would be able to say that this account is fully funded. Plus, you would be making profit from any of the ClickBank money after that. Of course, and of course, this is also monthly, reoccurring. So let me come back in here in commissions. And I'll have to try to. I'm going to be blanking this out for privacy, but we can come all the way down here and see over time. I have earned $344 on this account, and I think I've got maybe close to a couple $100 on my other account. I have not made the other account active yet. I plan to do that the 1st of next month. All right, so we'll get this back out of here, and promo tools downline. I think we're good. All right, so this is showing my 100 leads for today. We've got an email out right here, and we will be checking back in on that here real soon. So these the ClickBank products themselves make about anywhere from $14 to $24, somewhere in that range. I think I made $12.51 off of this first one, that were the one that we just sold here recently. Let's see, $12.51. Yeah. So yeah, anywhere from $12.50, the $12 range up to the $20 range on average, and plus your $5 if somebody buys the My Legion Secret along with you. And if those feel like small for the amount of time it takes to learn this, it doesn't take very long. It's a small learning curve. The amount of time it takes to set up your emails and go, not very long. As you saw me, I went and grabbed, looked for the next email, already had it loaded, bam, it's gone. You get up to your 4 or 5 accounts at some point in time, then maybe 30 minutes tops to send all those out. But if those types of commissions are just too small, you're not looking for that. You're looking more for a high ticket opportunity where you can make anywhere from $100 up to $2,000 on one sale and get paid immediately. It goes directly to you. You do not have to wait for the end of the week or the end of the month. It is paid directly to you. Then go ahead and put 2K. Put 2K down in the comment section, and the number 2 and the letter K, and I will get you the information for the high ticket program that we use. All right. Beyond that, I think we can call it a day and tell you that we appreciate you being here. My name's Jeff. If you haven't been here before, welcome. If you have been here before, then welcome back. And yeah, we will see you in the next video. Take care.